I look up at the moon and I see myself as an old man, dragging that flag behind me, screaming, spending my precious breath pleading for God to look upon me with grace. And I am. As an 8-year-old boy, I see the tears from under that glass dome like a halo. It changes me. I spend the next 61 years getting to him, just to wander around with the same flag, showing that I'm a companion, a friend, yelling out to him. I already knew for decades that I've become him. But I learn up there, I will become everyone. And I do find him. And I cry beautiful tears, first drops in a future ocean. If you can hear me, your children are okay.